Hello, hello, welcome back to Revelana. Hey, so today we're going to talk about how to set up your reputation management system, your Google reviews link with Revelana. And I want to show you, I did a search on Louology, Google reviews. Let's say I want to set up my link for Louology or Revelana. You do that search up here and you'll find your Google page. If you haven't set up your Google page, that is a very different video. So you want to make sure you set up your Google page, right? And then also notice, like, this is a paid ad. Bird Eye, those kinds of guys, I wouldn't highly recommend at all. You can get banned or like lose all your reviews if you end up going with one of these systems. The only real reason you would want to get a system like this is if you're getting bad reviews and you want to filter them. So just don't suck. Be really, really awesome all the time and get great reviews, and just let them go directly onto Google without any fear. Okay, just rock. Be great. So moving on, I did this search. I ended up over here, so it shows my Google reviews page, and then so if you scroll down, you're going to see this is where the reviews are, right? So what I want to do is I want to view all my Google reviews, right? So when you go there, it brings you here. And this is actually a relatively a new item here. Get more reviews. So you can click here. And what this does is it gets you your Google link, your Google reviews link. So I'm going to copy this and you'll see what I mean. So when I copy that, I go into a new browser. I'm going to paste it into the browser. And this is where it brings people. So it brings them right to your Google reviews. So this way, that link, when you're asking someone for a review, they're just going to click the link. The only reason that came up is this right here. I put my cursor over this. It just gives you information about what this means. But you want to they just hit the 5 stars, they enter, they can add photos, and then they post. So this is grayed out right now because I didn't write anything, or I don't want to post a review on my own company here. So once you click on that, once you click on the stars, it allows you to post. And then you can add photos if they want. But one of the biggest things is you want to let people know that that link you provided them allows them to click. It brings them right to where they can click on the 5 stars, and that's it. If they have time for that, that's great. If they don't have time for comments, that's okay. So it's always better to get comments, but it's always the best to get at least the 5 stars. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out because I wanted to show you how that worked. And when we get over to Revelana, I want to show you something. So right now we're in our templates account. But all you do is, I'm going to go back here because you're going to see something in here called reputation, right? So when you go to the reputation tab, what you want to do is go to this gear, to the settings gear. When you get to the settings gear, this is going to bring you to where we were on the other side of Revelana, of your Revelana system. And all you're going to do here is you're going to paste your reviews link. In our case, we have a bit.ly link, but you want to paste your Google reviews link there. And then you can just generate a link. From that, you need to connect Google My Business first. So make sure you have under integrations tab in Revelana, make sure this is a template account, so we don't have it set up. But make sure that you have your Google My Business set up under integrations in Revelana. And there's another video, another separate video for that. I'm not going to go into that, but you should have that done already. And then you just press save, right? And then once you have that in here, what you're going to do is just scroll down and fill in the blanks, right? So you want to favor this button over this one, follow custom schedule for review requests, send review requests immediately once you send. So you don't want them just going out randomly. You want to be able to control when they go out. You want to click this over so you can upload your image. We have our Louology GIF in there, which I absolutely love. And it makes it move on their phone too. You can see this is how it's going to show up on their phone when you're doing a review request. And then notice, like, you can customize this message. So we're like, hope you're loving the Louology and Revelana so far, blah, blah, blah. And keep it short. Keep it very, very short, right? So once you get this done, you press save. and then you're going to just fill in the blanks here. And then you're going to, this is an email that you can send to people. And so you write what you want to write. And then you're also going to press save here. And then you can start sending out review requests. So you're just clicking and it brings you through it. This just shows you how your request is going to look on mobile, on tablet, and on a laptop. You can preview that. And then you can also have a widget displayed, but we're not going to go into that with this one. But you definitely want to make sure these colors reflect your brand colors. Those are not our brand colors. And if you don't have brand colors, you have to go to revelana.com/services, or just click on services and see we have branding services that are super inexpensive. Get your branding done. Get your brand colors. You want everything matching exactly, okay? So once you have that, you can use this, this widget to show up in other correspondence. It gives you HTML code automatically when you have your ad written for asking for testimonials, asking for reviews. You can paste this HTML code into web pages and all kinds of stuff, and it looks pretty cool. So that just gives you that. But once you have all this set up, you have your Google reviews system, your reputation management system set up in Revelana. So congratulations, and please don't suck. Like, be awesome and get those 5 stars. And I hope you appreciate the video. If you do, please go to our, please do leave a 5-star review for us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Bye. Bye for now.